Hey, hey, hey. How are you, my new Patreon family? Hi. I'm Lisa Dee, the founder of Lisa Dee's Delights. And this is Mace. He's the chief tasting officer. Say hi, Mace. He is the chief tasting officer. Yes, this is my baby Mace. We just wanted to get on here. Mace and I, we just wanted to get on here and say hi to our new family. Like I said, I'm Lisa Dee, and I started a cooking show over on YouTube. I'm showing beginner cooks over there how to cook quick and simple, yummy recipes, letting them know that cooking doesn't have to be hard. Like, as long as you cook from your heart and you cook with love, it's not difficult. So yeah, we have lots of fun over there. So for those of you that don't know what Patreon is an awesome website that allows you to be a blessing to your favorite creators like authors and musicians and artists and chefs like me. You can be a blessing to them. You can pledge a small amount to them each month, and in return, you'll receive some exclusive awesome rewards. But to just back up a little bit and tell you a little bit about me, I am a mom of 2 boys. I don't know why I keep calling them that. They're not boys, they're men now. I grew up in New York, but now we live in Texas. And back in New York, I worked a job for 27 years and they laid me off after 27 years. They decided to send our jobs to India. And it actually turned out to be a blessing because I hated the job anyway. So I feel like it was God's way of telling me, okay, now it's time to go after your culinary dreams, because I've always had a passion and a love for cooking. I was raised by my great-grandmother, Mama Lee, and she taught me how to cook. She was from Mississippi, and she used to make these amazing meals. I mean, every Sunday, she would have Sunday supper, and the family would get together and gather at her house. We would just have great communion and just love on each other over good meals. And so now that's like a passion of mine. I just have this passion to show beginner cooks that cooking does not have to be hard. It does not have to be a chore. It can actually be fun. And you can make quick and simple meals. As long as you cook with love, you can't go wrong. The reason I decided to come to Patreon is because trying to help beginner cooks, I didn't even realize it, is actually not easy. I mean, it takes a lot of time, it takes a lot of energy, and purchasing the ingredients for these new recipes is not cheap. It's also more difficult for me because I'm technically challenged. So trying to create new websites and all this stuff is just a lot, and it does cost a lot of money. Creating culinary content for newbies over on YouTube is not as easy as I thought it would be. So if you are moved to help me out on my mission, I would so greatly appreciate it. But if not, it's totally cool. You can still watch me for free on YouTube. That's not going to change. But just do me a favor and subscribe to the channel, like my videos, and watch them like the whole full time, because watch time is a big thing over there on YouTube. The more people that watch your video, the whole full entire video, the more YouTube will show your videos to new beginner cooks. So if you could just help me out in that way, that's still a blessing, and I really appreciate you. Also, we started a great community of home cooks over on Facebook. It's a group called Quick, Simple, and Yummy Recipes Group. And it's just a bunch of home cooks, and we have fun over there too because we share awesome recipes, awesome tips, and we just love on each other with food over there. So if you're interested, I'll leave the link down below. But hopefully I'll see you in my Patreon community. I'm also on Instagram, Lisa Dee's Delights, Twitter, Lisa Dee's Delights, YouTube, Lisa Dee's Delights. And hopefully we'll see each other somewhere. Anyway, until then, happy cooking. Bye.